Welcome back. Today we're going to look at the CSS tab. The CSS tab allows you to style any HTML element in your mobile site through one of two ways. The easiest way to style something is to click on the element or block in the workspace and hit Style Element. This brings up the CSS WYSIWYG editor, which automatically writes a very specific CSS rule only for this element. You can change any number of styles here, but for now, let's just change the color of this header. To get the best color code, I'm going to use my color picker extension from the Chrome Web Store and try and get this nice orange from a helicopter. I click on my color picker, say pick the color from my page, find the orange, and when I click, it's copied to my clipboard. Now I paste the color code and hit save. Our system then writes a couple of declarations in the global CSS section. If we look at the code, we'll see that our rule says, in the division with ID bMob automatic content, and in the first article, article type nth of type 1, set the H3 header to this RGB code, which is orange. Also, it sets the same code with a star, so that any elements inside the H3 are also orange. If you want to change this, just delete the lines and hit save. And your article header goes back to default. Importantly, if I use style element to set a rule, if I only want to make this change on this page, I can hit style element, make my change, then click the box apply to current page. This will write the rule not in the global style sheets section, but on the page style sheets section, which means only this page. For people that already know CSS, the best way to do this is to just write the CSS yourself. You have more control because you know what the scope of your style changes should be. For example, if I like the orange in these buttons, I can simply right-click and inspect the button. Then right away in the Style section, I can see my orange and copy it. Because I want all headers to be orange, not just the ones on this page, I'll go to the Global Style Sheet, write H3, color, and paste my code. Hit save, then all your headers are orange site-wide.